Thank you for calling Greenmart Supermarket. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to place a grocery delivery order, please.
Of course. What would you like to order?
I need some vegetables and a couple of other items.
Sure. Let's start with vegetables. How much would you like?
I'll take tomatoes and onions.
For the tomatoes, would 1 kilo work or would you like more?
1 kilo is fine.
And onions?
2 kilos, please.
Okay. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need a lot of rice and some chicken.
For the rice, we have the 1 kilo bag and the 5 kilo bag.
The 5 kilo bag sounds good.
And chicken? How many kilos do you need?
Around 4 kilos, please.
Sure.
How much is that in total?
It comes to £48 including delivery.
All right, and how long will it take?
The delivery will arrive in about 30 minutes.
Brilliant, thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else I can help you with?
No, you've been very helpful. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Same to you. Bye.